కొత్తిమీర రసానికి ఒక కప్పుడు మజ్జిగ కలిపి తాగితే అజీర్ణం, వాంతులు, వెక్కిళ్ళు వంటి సమస్యలు తగ్గుతాయి. దీనివల్ల పళ్ళు, చిగుళ్ళు కూడా బలంగా తయారవుతాయి. మరిన్ని విషయాలు తెలుసుకునే ముందు ఫ్యాషన్లోని నయా ట్రెండ్ ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాం.
Hello everyone, welcome to Stree. Myself Dibyani Mishra, the chief designer at Stree. Today I'm going to showcase the collection of printed sarees from our brand. Okay, the saree is floral printed. The print is inspired from the art from Matani Pachedi, and you see this two different colors which are very different from each other but complement the entire saree. So as you can see, the fabric is so fluid, and you can see you can drape it the way you want. It will just hug your body, so it will just complement any body type. Also you can pair it off with your favorite kind of blouse, but mostly as a designer I would suggest you to choose this coral color, which will be more suitable for this saree. So the next saree is the organza satin saree. You can see here a very interesting pattern of stripes where each and every stripe is different from the other. It has different kind of textures that we have first developed on paper, then we were inspired from it and we made it digitally. You can see the saree is just embellished with a very nice golden lace and pleated yellow lace, which is complementing the entire print, and it's going well with the saree. The next saree is Upada silk saree. So you see this interesting pattern of multicolored stripes going, it has a zigzag multicolored stripe going all over the saree. So you can also see some bright colors, some pastel colors, some golden yellow color, which are enhancing the entire look. So you can look at the print and look at the fluidity of the saree. The entire print is just flowing with the fall of the saree. The saree is also adorned with this pink border, which is further highlighted with silver work. For this I would suggest if you love drama, just style it with that exaggerated blouse, might be with this color, which is very bright and will complement the entire look of the saree. And if you want to keep it simple, you can go for an antique golden color blouse, or this pink color sleeveless blouse. Style it up the way you want, and it will be suitable for any kind of occasion. Moving on to the next saree, which is a silk organza saree, which has this interesting pattern of leaf and stems going all over the saree. It is inspired from the art from Matani Pachedi, and the colors are so so royal. It will just complement your body. Just look at the fall of the saree. So we have selected the finest of the finest fabric for our collection. So, and this saree is also adorned with a very beautiful multicolored border, which is further highlighted with golden highlights. For this saree I would suggest you to go for a golden colored basic blouse, which will just enhance the entire saree. So the next saree is a tissue saree, which has a very interesting pattern going on all over the saree. So basically this pattern was first developed on paper, which is known as marbling pattern. Then we were inspired from this pattern, then we converted it into a print. So you see this multicolors like orange hues of green and pink going all together, and just enhancing the entire print. This saree also has this antique lace, which is further detailed with orange colored pom-pom, which is further highlighting the entire saree. Again, I'll have to say that it will just hug your body, and you can style it off with any kind of blouse. For this I would suggest you should go for this green colored sleeveless blouse, which would further give you an edgy look and complement your entire look. Okay, let's move on to the next sari, which is a chiffon sari, and this also has this interesting multicolored pattern going on, but the colors are so subtle and they're so classy that if you want to keep it simple, you can pair it off with a very slick blouse and you can go for any occasion. The sari is detailed with this velvet lace, which is further has this tassel detailing attached to the hemline of the sari. Hope you have liked this sari. So you can visit our Instagram page, which is Stree Official, and for any queries you can just DM us or visit our store, which is in Jubilee Hills. Thank you.
చూసారుగా ఫ్యాషన్లోని నయా ట్రెండ్. క్రిములు చేతులపైనే కాదు నోట్లోనూ ఉంటాయి. అందుకని రోజు 2 సార్లు ఫ్లోరైడ్ ఉన్న టూత్పేస్ట్తో పళ్ళు తోముకోవాలి.